What's the weather like today, Mr. Weatherman?
I think.
Can you hold up your picture? Can you hold up your picture?
What does your picture say?
Can you hold your picture up and tell us?
It's snowing outside.
Okay. How about now? What is it like now?
Sunny.
Is it real sunny?
Yeah. No.
No. What is it? Can you look at the picture and tell us?
Is a rainy day.
A cloudy day?
Cloudy.
Yeah.
Okay. How about now?
Raining day.
Raining day. And then the sun does what?
There's a ball of rain.
Dries up all the rain?
Yep.
Yep. And after the sun comes out, what do we see?
A rainbow.
Yay! Good job, Mr. Weatherman. Thank you.
You're welcome.